Hey fam, ready to kickstart your day with energy and ease? This quick 5-minute routine is perfect for unlocking tight hips, loosening your lower back, and setting your body in motion for whatever lies ahead. Whether you've been sitting, sleeping, or just feeling stiff, this routine is designed to wake up your body and fuel your movement. You won't need any equipment, just a mat or soft surface. This can be done anywhere, at home, outside, or even in your gym corner. We'll flow through stretches that gently open your hips, engage your core, and bring flexibility to your lower back. By the end of this routine, I promise you'll feel lighter, stronger, and ready to take on the day with confidence and balance. Let's hit the mat. We're starting with a flow that wakes up your entire body. Downward dog into cobra stretch. Think of this as a dynamic warm-up that stretches your back, legs, and hips while energizing your core. Start in downward dog. Lift your hips to the sky. Press your heels toward the floor and stretch your hands forward. Take a deep inhale, and on your exhale, flow forward into cobra stretch. Lower your hips toward the mat. Lift your chest and press through your palms. This continuous flow improves spinal flexibility, stretches the hamstrings, and opens up the hips, all while increasing blood flow to wake up your muscles. By the end of this minute, you'll feel a renewed sense of energy flowing through your body. If cobra feels too intense, lower onto your forearms for Sphinx. If downward dog is challenging, bend your knees slightly to make it more accessible. Take one more flow through downward dog into cobra, then come to a kneeling position for our next stretch. Let's add a little dynamic movement with a 3-leg downward dog. Perfect for stretching the legs, hips, and lower back all in one. Start in downward dog. Lift your right leg high toward the sky, keeping your hips square. Hold for a breath, then lower your leg back down. Repeat on the left side. Move slowly and with intention, letting your breath guide the movement. This stretch lengthens the hamstrings, opens the hips, and strengthens your core. I promise you'll feel balanced and energized after this. If lifting your leg feels too intense, focus on holding downward dog with bent knees to work up to it. Lower your knees to the mat and sit back for a final stretch. Seated internal hip rotation. We're finishing with the hip mobility stretch that brings everything together. Seated internal hip rotation. This stretch will feel like a deep sigh for your hips. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat. Lean back slightly, placing your hands behind you for support. Drop your right knee towards your left foot, then come back to center and drop your left knee towards your right foot. This movement improves hip mobility, reduces tension, and helps align your lower body. By the end of the stretch, your hips will feel looser and your lower back will thank you. If sitting isn't comfortable, place a cushion under your hips for support. To deepen the stretch, lean slightly forward as your knees drop. Bring your knees back to center and slowly rise to standing. Your body is now fully energized and aligned for the day. Fam, you crushed it. In just 5 minutes, you've unlocked tight hips, energized your lower back, and set your body up for success. Remember, it's not just about stretching, it's about showing up for yourself, creating balance, and building strength in small, powerful ways. Before you leave, fam, remember, you've already won the day just by showing up. Next time you see that notification bell go off, just press play. And the only way that happens is if you subscribe to the channel and share this routine with friends. Accountability is always more fun with friends. Fam, as a thank you for being part of this amazing journey, I've created a free gift to help you level up your fitness and flexibility. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Stay strong, stay powerful, and I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.